Hi, Mike Mancini with ppcvideotraining.com. I'm not going to give an introduction as far as what we're going to discuss or anything like that. We are talking about Google AdWords versus Google Ads. I still get the question a lot. They are the same thing. Back in July of 2018, Google AdWords rebranded themselves to become Google Ads. And some of you might still be confused because maybe if you haven't looked in there in a long time, they changed the interface as well. When you log in, the home screen is a lot different and they kind of, move things around quite a bit. So it might seem like a completely different product. It is obviously more advanced. It is better, but they are essentially the same thing. So when you see videos of me talking about Google Ads or Google AdWords, I still call them Google AdWords sometimes because it was that for 20 years or almost 20 years. You just know that we're talking about the same thing. All right. Make sure you subscribe to our channel below. We'd love to see you again as we release new videos each and every week. And thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel or share a video with someone who might find it interesting. Or if you know someone who's in need of PPC or Google Ad services, please forward our information to them. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching.